Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Chakra UI examples for accessible components, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Chakra UI examples for accessible components, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Chakra UI website by typing chakra-ui.com into the address bar. Once on the home page, look for the Docs section in the navigation menu. Click on Docs to access the documentation area. In the documentation, scroll down to find the Components section. Select Components to view the list of available UI components. Find the specific component you want to see examples for. Click on that component's name to open its detailed page. On the Components page, look for the section labeled Examples. Here, you will find live examples demonstrating the component's functionality. To download these examples, check if there are links to a GitHub repository. If GitHub links are available, click on them to open the repository. On the GitHub page, locate the green code button near the top right corner. Click the code button to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Download Zip to download the entire repository. Once the zip file is downloaded, locate it in your computer's download folder. Right-click on the zip file and choose Extract All to unzip the contents. Open the extracted folder to explore the included example files. Now, you can open the files in your preferred code editor. This will allow you to review and modify the examples to fit your project's needs. For further customization, refer back to the Chakra UI documentation as needed. With these steps, you now have access to a wealth of examples for creating accessible components using Chakra UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.